How to add TikTok pixel to Shopify. So right here, first from the left hand side, we will click on apps, and once this pops up, we will search for TikTok pixel. And it might tell us that we don't have any apps here, but we will search TikTok pixel in the Shopify app store, and you will see that we actually have many different options here. So you can do whichever one you would like, Pixel Talk or Pixel Talk here, or Tixel. So I'm going to do Tixel for the sake of this tutorial, and we are going to click on install here. So once we click on install, it will ask us for the different types of permissions that we have to allow it, and we can just choose install here. And I'm going to show you what it looks like once we have done it. So it's going to look like this. It's going to ask us for the charge, but basically after it charges us, we have a 7-day free trial, and then we can input our TikTok pixel information to this application, and it will have successfully linked TikTok pixel with our Shopify store, but unfortunately it has a subscription fee. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.